So once you have your YouTube account set up to allow you to do live streaming and gone through the verification process that again takes 24 hours, you're going to want to go ahead and open up Prism Live to get started with your mobile live streaming. So you open up Prism Live and you're going to go up to this little person, which is your account information. And if you've done lives before or created any videos before, they will show up on the screen. But just go ahead and click on your name, and it will ask you to log into your account. So the first time you may have to create your account however you want to do it. You can log in with Apple, Google, Twitch. There's several different options. So go ahead and log into your account. And then underneath that, you'll see live settings, stream destinations. And so if you click on that, these are all the different options that you have to go ahead and do live streaming. You can actually do multi-streams. That's a little more complex. And if you're interested in that, let us know in the description box below, and I can go ahead and create a video for that. But for right now, we're just going to focus on YouTube. And so you will log into YouTube, and you'll just click on that. It'll ask you to log into your YouTube account. It'll ask you some information when you log in, and then your YouTube account will be connected. So from there, you're going to want to go back and hit the X to close the settings. Hit the X. And then you'll see it says ready. And the first time that you click on it, it will ask you to select your channel, and you'll see the channels that are available for YouTube should be there. When you click on it, you can connect, and it will show you the different options that you have. So if you're ready to go live and you want everything to be public, go ahead and hit public. Anyone will be able to see it. The same as your other YouTube settings, unlisted, you can send a link to share to people, or private. So right now I'm set up for unlisted. You can select the resolution that you want, the frame rate that you want. This is just kind of the default, so you can play around with that and see what works best for you. And then here, you can actually rename your stream. So you can create a title. We're going to call this testing. And you can delete this part too. You don't have to have that in your description. This is where you'll put your description, just like you were doing it inside of YouTube. Click done and hit go live. As it says, you will be redirected to start streaming your broadcast via YouTube, which is what we want. So once you click that, you'll see your list of accounts will be there. Go ahead and select the account that you want, and it will attempt to connect. There you go. So I am connected to my YouTube account. There's some different things you can change in here, but once you get connected, as long as it works, I just pretty much left it on the defaults. It made life easier for me to go ahead and just get started on this. So you can close this and hit go live. 3, 2, 1 countdown, and we are live streaming. So there you go. If you want to do mobile live streaming, you've got your camera. There's some other things that you can do if you want to change. You can change to the rear facing camera. And there you've got rear facing. You can go back to front facing. You can switch modes. But as you can see, it will tell you the screen orientation cannot be rotated after broadcast has begun. So keep in mind, the direction that you have your phone is the direction that it's going to be in. I believe there is a setting to change that, and I have never been able to find it prior to going ahead and starting the live stream. Some other things that you have: video only mode, so you won't be able to see the comments here. So if you are trying to do live chat and you want to see them on the screen, you will not see them if you are here in video only mode. If you swipe to the middle, this is the regular live mode. You will see chat if chat is going on. There's stickers and things you can add, different filters, lovely filters. You can change the lighting. There's stickers and things here. Great little special effects. That was fun. And then, if I can make this go away, if you continue to swipe to the, I don't know, is swipe left, swipe right, I'm not sure. Swipe from the right to the left, you'll see that you can add different media. So under My Studio, we've got different things that we've had from our previous live streams. So we've got a starting soon. We can go ahead and get rid of that. Come back. If you go into media, it will show you all the media that you have available. Music, there's some available music within the library. Get your funky music on your live stream. Let's see, what else can we add? Text, if you want to add a text overlay. They've got social media buttons, captions, and you can edit all of these things and have them ready to go inside of your text. There are some widgets, so if you want to have the chat, you can change the way that the chat will look up if you've got chat going on, and add those things. So there's a chat box if you want to have a chat box. So, I mean, there's lots of things that you can do if you want to share it. Remember, I had it unlisted, so if I wanted to share the link, I could go ahead and share the link to whoever wanted to see it. But that's it. If you have a small channel and you are under 1,000 subscribers, you can go ahead and do live streaming with Prism Live. It's fairly easy to use. It's a free app. Works well, and you can get up and running with live streams. So if you go ahead and give it a shot, let me know if you run into any issues. Otherwise, good luck and happy streaming.